Why does your scanner show the P061A engine code? What does it mean? P061A is a diagnostic trouble code for internal control module torque performance. This engine code indicates that the PCM has detected an internal performance error in the engine torque monitoring system. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Related to throttle control, sensor issues, electrical problems, airflow concerns, PCM malfunction. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code can be found in many OBD2 vehicles, including but not limited to Dodge, Ram, Ford, Chrysler, Mitsubishi, Land Rover, Mercedes-Benz, etc. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.